Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a $100 shopping challenge. So I'm getting ready to go into Aldi. I have my meal plans for the whole week and I'm going to try to shop for our family of 7. Okay, so I made it back home. I'm going to show you real quick what I got. I'm going to tell you my total, and while I'm going through everything, I'll tell you what my plan is, my meal plan for this next week. And then at the end of the video, make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to cook these super easy oven baked cheeseburger sliders. So stay tuned. Okay, so today is Thursday, so I planned from Thursday to Thursday. But right here, I use this ground turkey here. That's gonna be for our cheeseburger sliders. And then I think I'm just gonna put these fries in our air fryer. This beef smoked sausage, that will be for a sheet pan meal where you just, it's called like honey balsamic glazed sausage with veggies. So you put it like all in one sheet pan, cook it all together. Super easy, delicious. Of course, just breads because we always need bread. This is just for some lunches, hot dog, or for a lunch I should say, because you know it's only gonna last one time. Hot dogs and whatever else we put on the side. And I use the Hawaiian rolls for the cheeseburger sliders. So you definitely should pick these up. I use these for homemade pizzas, but you can use them for whatever you like. They're really good, honestly, just plain. Heat it up for a couple seconds in the microwave and you're good to go. Bagels for breakfast. Just a pineapple, a cantaloupe. This was something I wasn't planning on getting, but Farouk swears he loves them, and I don't even remember ever giving it to him, but he swears he loves them, so I got it. Another thing, isn't shopping with kids so fun? Another thing that I wasn't planning on getting, this little dessert kit. It's like pudding with like some little chocolate cookie crumbs and some gummy worms or whatever. So, got that. Of course, had to come through with string cheese. More cheese, but this one I guess I wanted to show you guys. This Havarti sliced cheese, this and the provolone. I'm making for the first time tonight some French onion soup from scratch. I've never made it before, but I've had it at restaurants and I absolutely love it. So the recipe calls for the Havarti cheese and I just added the provolone because I like how it tastes and it's super, super like melty and stretchy. So. Cream cheese, I'm using like a half a block for this meal. This is a 3 cheese tortellini. It's like a baked, it's a casserole basically, a pasta casserole. So almost like a lasagna, but you use this instead. And it calls for like half a block of cream cheese, some shredded cheese, that kind of thing, butter, because of course we all just need butter. This I got for a recipe that I'm actually not gonna make. It was supposed to be like a sheet pan tilapia meal, but they were completely out of tilapia. So, but of course it's just Italian seasoning. I'll use it anyway. The Parmesan, oops, here we go. The Parmesan, because we always just need Parmesan. But the recipe, I'm making some like oven fried chicken fingers. And it calls for cornflakes and panko breadcrumbs, a few other ingredients, and along with Parmesan cheese. And it's supposed to be like super, super crunchy. That's what the cornflakes, give it that crunch along with the panko. So I'm super excited for that. I know it'll turn out super good. My kids absolutely love chicken fingers and I actually do too. So that'll be good. I already have the chicken breast in my freezer. Just some almond milk, this red wine vinegar. This goes in the French onion soup. Onions for the French onion soup. Garlic toast, I'm gonna make that to go on the side of the soup. Macaroni, because of course we just always need macaroni. I have like 2 in my cupboard already, but I decided to get some more. Just a little snack, strawberry applesauce. Oh my gosh. This right here, this Carolina barbecue, baby. It is so good on chicken, fish, salmon, barbecue, of course, like, if you had some like beef ribs or whatever. This is just super good. I love that barbecue sauce. So I got that. Minced garlic because I'm always, using garlic. This right here is for an easy meal for this week. I'm making just like grilled cheese and tomato soup because I'm working like 3 days in a row for this weekend. And yeah, I always gotta have something super easy when I'm working like that. So this right here, one second. This is another purchase that I wasn't planning on getting, but yeah. Just some pancake mix. I had ran out earlier. I'll probably prep some pancakes, like make some and then put them like in a freezer bag or something. Like I said, I'm working this weekend, so I try to make it easier on my husband. And then these little alphabet cookies, the kids love those for snacks. That little salad we'll eat on the side of something. And I think that's it. Little croutons, these actually go inside of the French onion soup, and of course you can have it with salad or whatever. I hope I went over everything. I took a phone call in the middle of this, so yeah. Okay, I'm about to tell you the total. Okay, so my total was let me see if I can show you, 101.25. There we go, 101.25. So of course I had to use my $100 in cash that I had, and then $1.25 on my debit card. 101.25, not bad at all for a family of 7 for a whole week of meals. So some key tips that I have that I usually do is I actually try to shop my freezer, refrigerator, pantry, cabinets, everything before I actually go to the store. And then I kind of, obviously I have something in my head, you know, that I want to make or I feel like making, but then I also try to just kind of see what I already have and then build upon that. So of course you didn't see me buy any chicken or anything because I already had that in my freezer. Of course I have like staples, like to make things for breakfast, like muffins and all that. I already have, you know, frozen fruit. I already have flour, sugar, you know, eggs, those kinds of things. So I already have a lot of staples. So I didn't have to buy a whole lot. One of these meals on here that I had planned on making, I told you earlier, but they were completely out of the tilapia. So I'm not gonna make that. I'm just gonna wing it. I think I saw in the back of my freezer somewhere like some frozen chicken thighs. So I will make with that barbecue sauce I showed you earlier, like some barbecue chicken thighs, and I've got of course some rice and that kind of thing. So I will, you know, make that work. And I'm being hounded to cut up this cantaloupe, so I am going to do that. So I'm gonna make these cheeseburger sliders for you real quick after I cut up this cantaloupe. So this is what you need. Just a pound or more if you want your burgers thicker. I'm using ground turkey. You can also use ground beef if you prefer. Some onion, those Hawaiian sweet rolls, sliced cheese, and then these are all the seasonings I'm going to use. You use whatever seasoning you want to use for your burgers, but I like this savory steakhouse. I'm gonna put a little garlic powder on there, and then some, how y'all pronounce this? I pronounce it Worcestershire sauce. You let me know how you pronounce it, but that, and then of course you need breadcrumbs to make sure that it all comes together. So I've already preheated my oven to 400 degrees. So it's gonna cook in the oven for about 25 minutes. And I'll show you exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna chop up a little bit of onion, mix it with this ground turkey, mix it, of course, with all the seasonings over here, a little bit of breadcrumbs as well. And then after that, you kind of flatten it out in the pan, poke some holes in the top, and then that's it. You bake it in the oven. You bake it, like I said, for 25 minutes. You're gonna drain the grease. You're gonna put your cheese on top of it all, and then put it back in the oven for like 2 minutes until, you know, until it the cheese melts and everything. So that's it. I'm gonna spray the pan, of course, with my little olive oil cooking spray.
Come whatever may, I'm done with guessing. I know things will change, and life is staring me in different ways. I gotta find my place. I gotta find my place. Things they fall apart. I'm walking without light, lost in the dark. I thought I had a place I could belong. My back against the wall. My back against the wall. Stay with me, 'cause I'm lost in your love. Stay with me, 'cause I have nothing left. Stay with me. there sure is something else. Can we stay for a while until the fire's been out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right. Just assumed we were more than just friends, 'cause I felt the tension in the room. Caught in emotion on every occasion, laughter and hours of gloom. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burned out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right.
That is all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below. And if you make those yummy sliders, do not forget to tag me over on Instagram. And my handle is Just Marie Homemade. So I'll see you guys back here soon in a brand new video. Bye.